Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how I cut and draw a frontal hairline. This is a 13 by 6 frontal, guys, and the ventilation tutorial is going to be in part 2. So these are the things that you need either concealer, fabric marker, or a liner. In this video I'm going to be using a liner, scissors, and measuring tape. The type of lace that I'm using is Swiss lace. So right here I'm going to mark 14 inches horizontally, which is from one side of the ear to the other side. The reason why I'm cutting 14 inches is because the other 1 inch is going to be excess lace. So we're going to have half an inch on each side. But when I'm ventilating, I'll be ventilating only on 13 inches horizontally. So the other is going to be excess lace. You will need that, and you cut that off when you're done making your frontal. So right here I'm marking 6.5, and the other half is going to be the excess at the back, guys. So just fold your lace in half like that, and then I'm going to pin it because I want to cut off a curve right there at the corner. So I'm just going to take my liner, and then I'm going to mark right there. I'm going to create a curve, and then after marking right here, I'm going to cut off that curve right there at the corner to get that curve that a frontal or closure has. So you can do the same process if you are making a closure. You can just fold it in half and then make your curve and then cut. So after cutting the curve, I'm just going to add more pin to my lace so that it won't move, like it stays like straight. Everything will be equal. So just pin down right there, and then we're going to move on to the next step, which is the hairline. So for the hairline, guys, I'm going to mark from the midpoint going to the side. I'm going to mark 2.5 right there, and then I'm going to put another dot on 2 inches. So from the middle to the side 2.5, and then another 2 inches, and then another 2 inches. Yeah, so right there, and then I'm going to start drawing. So I'm going to start from the ear side. So start drawing, going up to do a curve right there, go up, and then go down to connect the dot right there, and then go up again to connect the dot with the other one right there, guys. So the 2 curves on the side right there, and then for the one that is on the midpoint, you don't have to go up and down. Right there on this side, you have to go up, and then when you flip your lace, you're just going to join it to the other side. So you don't have to go up and down on this one. You turn it, flip it to the other side, and then we're going to trace it. So for the midpoint, the curve on the middle right there, we are going to join it to the other side, the midpoint right there. Just connect, going up, and then this is going to be a bigger curve on the midpoint, and then the other 2 on the side are just going to be smaller, like the other ones on the other side, which is 2 inches on each curve, 2 inches on each curve. So guys, you don't need to follow that dot on the midpoint, guys, because we want it to be curved out. We don't want a straight line on the midpoint right there. Want it to be curved out. It's like a widow's peak, but not too much. So if your frontal hairline is 12 inches or 11 inches, I have another tutorial that is different. Like the way you do this one and the 12 inches is different. So for this one, guys, the midpoint is going to be 5 inches, and if your hairline is 12 inches, it's going to be 4 inches on this midpoint right here. As you can see, it's 5 inches, and if your hairline is 12 or 11 inches, the midpoint is going to be 4. So for this one, 5 inches on the middle and then 4 on each side, and then total is going to be 13 inches. So the midpoint is only the difference between the 12 inches frontal and the 13-inch frontal. So if you are interested to see how I ventilated this one, make sure you subscribe and join the family, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. I will see you guys in part 2, which is ventilation. Goodbye.